Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account on your iPhone twice in a week. For example, if you have recently uh, deactivated your Instagram account, now if you want to deactivate it again and it is showing weekly limit. So if you want to deactivate again within a week after deactivating once, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to be watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the videos. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and in general you have to scroll down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to open the app store here, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram app. And after searching the Instagram app, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating, you have to open the Instagram app again, and here you have to click on profile, and you have to click on three lines here. And after that, you have to click on account center, and in account center you have to click on personal details, and here you will find the account ownership and control. So if you click on deactivation and deletion, and after that you have selected the account, and after selecting the account, if you click on continue, then there will be option of weekly limit reach. So if you want to deactivate it second time, then you have to select delete your account, because if you select delete your account, then your account will be permanently deleted. But you have to make sure that you reactivate your account, which means you have to simply log in your account back within uh, 30 days, so that your account will be deactivated again. So if you want to deactivate your account within a week, then you have to select delete account, and after that you can simply deactivate. And if you want to deactivate again, then you have to simply log in your account back, so that you can simply deactivate your account. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.